Dreaming of a stable and rewarding career in the Indian Railways? Then the Indian Recruitment Board RRB exams are your gateway to success. Stay tuned as we break down the complete exam pattern and share the expert tips to help you crack it with confidence. The RRB conducts various exams like RRB NTPC, RRB Group D, RRB JE and RRB ALP to recruit candidates for different roles in the Indian Railways. Understanding the exam pattern is the first step towards effective preparation. Let's dive in. The RRB exams generally follow a multi-stage process. Stage 1, CVT1, which is the preliminary exam. In this stage, you'll face 100 multiple choice questions covering mathematics, general intelligence and reasoning, and general awareness. You'll have 90 minutes to complete the test, and remember, there's a 1/3 mark deduction for every wrong answer. Stage 2, which is CBT2, mains examination. This phase tests your knowledge in mathematics, general intelligence and reasoning, general awareness, and technical subjects for JE and ALP roles. This stage also lasts 90 minutes with 120 questions. So, speed and accuracy are the key. Stage 3, skill test or the typing test, if applicable. For NTPC and ALP roles, this stage evaluates your typing and technical skills. Now let's come to the fourth stage, which is document verification. Ensure all your documents are accurate and up to date. Let's come to the stage 5, which is medical examination. Indian Railways maintains strict medical standards, so make sure you meet the fitness requirements. Now that you know the pattern, here are some powerful tips to boost your preparation. Number 1, master the basics in mathematics and reasoning to build a strong foundation. Number 2, stay updated with current affairs through newspapers and monthly magazines. Number 3, practice mock tests and previous year question papers to improve speed and accuracy. Number 4, focus on time management. Attempt easier questions first and come back to the tricky ones later. With dedication and the right strategy, you can excel in the RRB exams. So, are you ready to embark on your journey towards a secure government jobs in Indian Railways? Start your preparation today and let success follow. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exam tips and updates. Best of luck with your preparation.